What's up, everyone? Got a new haul in today. This is going to be the Kansept, says Survival and ED. It's a everyday carry. Now let's get in here and see what this thing is about. I'm using my Civivi Imperium today. We'll open this up and see what we got. I've been looking forward to this. And what's in here? Okay, we got a microfiber cloth and something that probably don't need. Always good to have more microfiber cloth. You never know what you're gonna have to clean off of your blade, of your glasses, camera lens. And look at that. There we go. Gotta love the orange and black. This is a S35VN blade steel. It's got a not really deep carry, but a deep carry pocket clip, along with a glass breaker right there. It's a button lock. Oh, a little stiff right out of the box, but just have to break that in. But yeah, looking good, and it's smooth already. The flipper, yeah, it's a little stiff, that's for sure. We'll get used to it though. Oh, the pivot bolt is blue. I did not even notice that. It says EDC Tac on it. No real name, just that's their name for it, I guess. EDC Tac. There you go. The new Kansept S35VN. All right. Hope to see you guys on the next one.